This is a video to show you how to use Google product feed process with WooCommerce and Google Merchant. So Google Merchant, Google Shopping is available in a variety of countries. Here's a list of the countries from the Google website. Not a lot of countries, but some countries. If you've got a Google account, you can set up a Google Merchant Center. You've got a Google Merchant Center set up over here in the settings that you have, or the options that you have for your account, for your Google account. So if you've got a Google account, then the Merchant Center is possible, and then you set up different accounts within it. So I'm going to show you how to set up another account. So this is for Singapore, and my website. Okay, needs to be that. Okay, so it's set it up now. It exists. It needs the product feed. Okay, so I need to verify my website, and I can do that just by logging into Google Analytics, and it's smart enough to know that I'm logged in, and it will verify my feed, hopefully. There we go, verified. And then there are no products at the moment, okay, but I can create a feed that'll feed directly from the website if I want to, or I can create a list which would need to be on a spreadsheet, maybe a Google Documents spreadsheet. So what I'm going to do now is go to the website, Barcode Singapore, go to the plugins page, and if I do a search for feed on the plugins page, there is this thing here called Google Product Feed. Now, please only use this if it's of use to you, because it costs us per site that gets activated. But if I activate that for Singapore, and then if I go to WooCommerce, settings, product feeds. Okay, it has created product feeds for me already, and these are the feeds. So if I copy that URL for the feed and go to my Merchant Center, I add a feed. Target country is going to be limited to the ones that are there, but in our case Singapore. Feed name. And it gives me the choice of methods: Google Sheets, scheduled fetch, or upload. So I'm going to go to the scheduled fetch. Continue. File URL. Okay, I don't need it fetched daily. Weekly will be probably fine for me. It's not password protected. I can save that. Doesn't allow space. Okay, and it is saving the feed. And while I'm doing that, I go to products, I can change which ones feed. And also, sorry, back in here, there's some defaults that are there. The defaults are probably fine, but there is some other things. I can use the brand of the item and store default. I can make barcodes. Condition is going to be new. Stock is in file. Sorry, default is in stock. Category. Okay, I think that's all pretty good. And here under it, got a few products. I sort them by price. I'm going to find the cheap products, and these tend to be ones that don't need to be in the feed. So we'll just open that one. And if we go down a bit, hide this product from the feed. Okay. So a few products here that I don't really want. These are ones we get used to get people to pay bills. Okay, and I'm just going to hide these from the feed. So these are products that we have there because they're convenient for us, but I don't want Google to be advertising them to everybody. Okay. I think I've got all of these. Okay, so the feed is there. It's scheduled to fetch weekly, but I'll get it to fetch now. And it takes a while to process. I can pause this while it's processing. And this is with the feed refreshed a few minutes later. 26 items have been processed and found. I can see what they are. I can download a file of it. Okay, this is showing the sorts of things that are getting fed into it. Okay, this is looking at the API. So it's feeding these things to Google directly now. There are some that I want to change, so if you see there was a discount package. I probably don't want that showing. So again, I can go here and I can go search for discount. Okay. I just on each of these products. Down near the bottom, hide from the product feed. Update. So I've updated those. If I go back here now, going to fetch now. So there's 26 items at the moment. This is processing. I'll just pause the video for a moment while it. Okay, so this is still showing 26 items, so I'm not quite sure how to get rid of the discounted ones, but you'll figure that out. So this is just showing how the Google product feed can be set up. Pretty simple to get 26 products in there. The only thing that's missing is there's some warnings down the bottom here. Image link is missing. So I'll do another video to show how you can actually add images to the products. Just having a quick look here though, while we're here. There is no image actually attached to this product, so it's possible here to add media, insert from a URL. Insert from a URL and add media. So I'll do another video to show you how to do that. Google likes pictures of things, and we've set it up so you can have pictures fairly easily.